Hey everyone, let me ask you a question. Are you tired of all the advertisements and flashy banners on a website that distracts you from reading what you search for? Or slow loading website that takes forever because of all the advertisements on a page? Well, guess what? You've came to the right video to solve that issue. Stay tuned. The software we'll be using to block all the websites and website ads is called Pi-hole. Pi-hole is open source software that acts as a domain name system, also known as DNS. To get started with Pi-hole, all you need is a basic computer with the following operating systems already installed: Raspbian, Ubuntu, Debian, or Fedora. It sits between your home network and the internet. This allows the Pi-hole to intercept any outgoing or incoming DNS requests, to block or pass certain domains, by keeping your computer and other devices safe from ads. Pi-hole can be also used for DHCP server. More on this on my other videos. This PC needs to be on 24/7, 365 days a year. What I'll recommend is a basic computer, which I have for myself. Is Dell Optiplex 3070 with 4 gigs of RAM, 500 gigs of hard drive, and regular Intel Pentium. It doesn't have to be really powerful, but this will be enough to get Pi-hole going. The operating system that I will be using will be Ubuntu 20.04. If you don't know how to install Ubuntu, please see my other video. The link will be on the description to get you going with the Ubuntu operating system. That being said, covering all the softwares and hardwares required, let's move on to the installation. This is very simple. No need to know any codes of Ubuntu or any commands. Just follow my lead. This installation will take 20 to 15 minutes depending on the speed of your hardware and your internet speed. So let's get started. Click on your menu and type in terminal, an icon like this. Open it up. An easy way to do it: open your browser and navigate to pi-hole.net. Once you're there, click on the link install, copy this command, and paste it in a terminal, and then hit enter. And then go back to your browser again, copy the second part, go back to your terminal and paste that code here. This process will take between 15 to 20 minutes, so I'll pause the video and come back when our next step is ready. Alright, looks like we are ready to rock and roll. We got this message saying this installer will perform your device into network-wide ad blocker, and hit enter. The Pi-hole is free but powered by your donation. For sure I'll donate. And just click OK, OK. Now for the DNS, I would like to pick Quad 9 unfiltered, because that's the best one. I found out that will be better. Once you highlight that, click OK, and I will be using IPv4 not 6. I will uncheck that and click OK, hit enter and enter. Yes, I want the web interface admin, so make sure that this is on because you want to use your web interface. Hit enter. Hit enter again. Yes, I want to collect all the logs. Hit enter. Just leave the first one on. No need to worry about the other ones. We can enable them in the interface. And this will continue installing Pi-hole. It looks like our installation is complete. So make sure you note down a few things here. Your IP address, your password, and the URL to access Pi-hole via browser. Once you get done ready, take a picture, write it down, some way, somehow to get information saved somewhere. Once you got everything information down, hit enter and we are done. To access to your web interface of the Pi-hole, you need to type in your web address that was provided at the end of the installation. In my case, it's 10.0.2.15/admin. As you see already, that Pi-hole Core 32 hits. To log into your main console, hit this hamburger menu and click on login. And you don't need a username, but you do need a password that was provided at the end of the video of the installation. All you gotta do is type in that password. Mine will be different than yours, so type in your password at the end of the installation that was provided to you. And as I see, I'm logged in to my web interface, and come back for more info on Pi-hole, depth dive into the settings and what you can do about this. This will be it for this video. Next video will be diving into this Pi-hole to see more info, more depth, and what this software can do for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and hit that bell icon for more video notifications. Bye for now.